right now. As you watch this video, something is watching you back. It's reading your face, looking into your eyes, detecting your fear, measuring your heartbeat, and you never said yes. Reading my emotions. Answer is yes.
Emotion AI, also called affective computing, is a multi-billion-dollar industry that most people have never heard of. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and over 40 startups are right now selling technology that claims to read your emotional state from your face, your voice, your typing speed, even the way your eyes move.
And the scariest part? You've already been scanned. Probably today.
Let's talk evidence. Real, documented, disturbing.
Proctoring software used by over 500 universities, including during COVID, was secretly analyzing students' facial expressions to detect dishonesty. Students with darker skin tones were flagged as cheating 3 times more often because the AI was wrong, but nobody told the students they were being emotionally profiled.
HireVue, a hiring platform used by hundreds of Fortune 500 companies, analyzed candidates' facial movements and vocal tones to decide who gets hired. Your nervous smile, your anxious pause, all fed into an algorithm that decided your career before a single human even read your resume.
Walmart, McDonald's, IKEA, major retailers are testing emotion scanning cameras to manipulate what you buy by knowing how you feel before you know it yourself.
And your phone is the most intimate emotion scanner of all?
Think about the last time you cried watching a video, or felt rage scrolling through the news, or sat in silence, anxious, staring at your screen at 2 a.m. In those moments, your most private, unguarded moments, the camera was on, the microphone was on, and something was learning. Not just learning what you watch, learning how you feel when you watch it. Your anger makes you scroll longer, your sadness makes you spend more, your loneliness makes you click. And they know this. They've known for years.
You were never the user, you were always the product. And now, they don't just want your data, they want your soul.
Here's what the industry doesn't want you to know. In 2023, the EU tried to ban emotion recognition AI in public spaces. The tech lobbies spent $97 million to water it down. In the US, there are 0 federal laws protecting your emotional data. None. Your face is legal to scan. Your feelings are legal to sell.
And you agreed to it. Page 47, paragraph 9, clause C of the terms and conditions you never read. The permission was buried. The theft was legal.
But here's what they don't want you to do. No, because awareness is the only defense they cannot code around. Cover your camera when you're not using it.
Deny emotion detection app permissions. Use browsers that block behavioral tracking. And most importantly, talk about this. Share this video, because the moment enough people know, the laws change, their companies panic. The surveillance crumbles.
Your emotions are the last truly human thing you own. Don't let them be stolen in silence.
Subscribe for next video.